First of all, I want to give a shout out to LeBron James and a shout out to Nike. Just do it. And this video will tell the entire world the reason that I personally think this year, 2019, 2020, has been the year that the LeBron shoe line actually has, I'll say, done a better job overall than Jordan Brand. But there's only one way to find that out, and that is by doing the unboxing. So let's get right to it. See what's in the box here. As you can see, the box says just do it, so we know what's coming next. And made sure nobody without a knife can get in this box. And that's for sure. Alright. So as you can see from the bottom of the box, it says LeBron James. Let's take it out a little further. So right here. Here. Now, as you can tell from the box, these are the LeBron 17s, his 17th signature pair, and this is a size 10.5. It's retail for $200, but you probably could find them online a lot cheaper or maybe more expensive, depends. So the Nike box has the Nike swoosh, LeBron's logoing on the bottom. You can see right here all of the Nike Just Do It swoosh logos, which makes this official. Now, let's get to it. Bam. This is the reason Jordan Brand took a big L this year. And it's not a super L because these shoes actually have the Jordan Brand, well, the Jordan 34 beat in certain areas that other shoes don't. Now, let's start out by saying the LeBron 17 is actually has the highest volume of heel max ever on any LeBrons. So when you walk in the knees, you're literally walking on air, people. Now the knit posit, that's an upgrade back here. That's an upgrade from the Battle Knit 2.0 that was on the 16s. So the knit posit combines lightweight flying and construction with a heat molded yarn that actually adds structure and color results. So it's durable, supportive, and it resists scratching. So these are the In the Arena shoes, and they're basically called In the Arena because of this. What's inside of there? You can see it a little. Now, I'll read it out to you guys, but if you want to Google it or YouTube it, it's a quote actually by Theodore Roosevelt that LeBron James is using all the time. He's been using it throughout his career because let's face it, this relates to LeBron James, and I quote, it says, "It is not the critic who counts, not the man who points out how strong his strongman stumbles or where the doer or deeds could have done them better. The credit belongs to the man who is actually in the arena, whose face is marred by dust and sweat and blood, who strives valiantly, who errs, who comes out short again and again, because there's no effort without error and shortcoming. But he who does actually strive to do deeds, who knows great enthusiasms, the great devotions, who spends himself in a worthy cause, who at the best knows in the end the triumph of high achievement, and who at the worst, if he fails, at least fails by daring greatly, so that his place shall never be with those cold and timid souls who neither know victory nor defeat. Theodore Roosevelt. So yeah, that's what the man in the arena message stands for. And LeBron actually, can relate to that a whole lot. Now, there's a lot going with these shoes, and I'll try to get to every aspect of it because I like a full review of a shoe. So let's get to some of these logos. Now, on the left, this shoe right here. Let's talk about this one first of all. So on the left shoe, he has "I'm King," which is right up here. And then he gives like a lot of throwbacks to all his shoes. There's LJ. Also, there's the Leonardo da Vinci guy. Where is he at? Right here. So, and then you have the number 23. That's on there as well. And you have LeBron James spelled out. The LJ crown. So much going on. And the LJ logo. And that's just one shoe that has all of these different designs and logos and giving nods to so much. Now that Leonardo da Vinci anatomical image, that gives nods to a pair of his shoes that he had them on. I think it was a pair of 15s, yeah. So on the right shoe, let's get to that real quick. You have here, of course, you have the Lion logo, the number 23, as well as LeBron spelled out, the Dunkman logo, LJ Classic, the 6 spelled out, and the Nike logo. Now the Lion was from the LeBron 8, the 6 is from the LeBron 6, the Dunkman, of course, debuted from the LeBron 2. L23 was from his rookie year. I'm King is from the 15s and the 16s. And LBJ is from the ACGs. So, yeah, the anatomical man is from the LeBron 12s. So, yeah, if you know your LeBron history, you will be able to see they gave nod to like all of his previous shoes. Now, I'll tell you this. These were called a lot of different names, but they stampeded it with the Man in the Mirror version. But you probably hear people call them the ash versions. These are the ash colors or the Oreo colors. But let's talk about the LeBron 17 in general, how it just is a better lifestyle shoe as well. Now, I'll say on the court, the Jordan 34 might be a better performer, but you could play basketball in these as well as rock these casually. That's something you really can't do you can do it with the 34s, but it won't look as good as with the LeBron 17s, because like I said, the LeBron 17s have this knit positive, and it feels so much premium. Like you feel like you got a $200 pair of shoes on when you put them on, and you're looking down every time somebody walks by, like, hey, I want them to step on my $200 pair of shoes. You feel that, like you feel that about any Jordans, but this year with the LeBrons, you really feel like you got a pair of $200 shoes. And I have to give it to the LeBron 17. Overall, been a better shoe overall. Like I said, the 34s probably, you know, are a better basketball performance shoe, but I'm not going to just completely give that 100% to the 34 because there's a lot of great performers out that you could play basketball in. But lifestyle and basketball combined, and it's so many colorways that he has coming out for these, I would give the LeBron 17 the win over the Jordan 34s. And I have a list coming up about all the Jordans for people that want to know where the 34s actually ranked amongst the greatest Jordans of all time. But you know what happens next. It's time for the On Feet. So, hey, just sit back, relax. Do me a favor, hit that like button because it's free. Share this on Instagram, YouTube, and Twitter. Man, look at the design of these. You can't tell me that this shoe isn't certified dope. Like this video, leave your comments, and subscribe. Later.